Hello, I'm Mikhailo Kalitkin, CEO and co-founder of Unova. And I want to present you ULab's ecosystem with a solution for STEM education. We're based on 3 points: spaces, knowledges, and innovations. What is spaces? There is didactic materials for primary school for K-12. We have more than 100 sets for primary schools. For example, we can see mechanics items. We have a solution for secondary school for K-12. It's physics, biology, chemistry, geography. It's all about STEM. Let's try what is this. For example, for primary school, we have a solution. If we put 2 weights here, it does not work. But if we use a simple things, we can see a difference. After that, we can go to our part of our solution. It's an LMS system, and we can explain. We can see girl and boy here, and we can ask our AI agent explain difference between force and motion for kids, and we get the answer. We integrate spaces, knowledges, and AI innovations in one ecosystem. For K-12, we have different sets based on IB curricula, Cambridge curricula, inside these boxes. It's not just the boxes, it's a real experiments inside these boxes. You can see a quality of each items. More than 50 years we produce these materials and we can get a high quality product. Here is last our R&D equipment, sensors with AI. Wireless sensors which put data directly for AI agent, and we can explain our children how it's work, how to use AI. It's a human AI based on our knowledges. It's a borders of knowledges, not just GPT or Gemini. We can ask any questions about physics process. For example, where can we use in real life own laws? Where can we use electricity? Where can we use our things? So in our ecosystem, we integrate real equipment, high quality equipment for primary and K-12 programs with LMS system and with AI.